Hi everybody, my name's Kristen, WrightEO. I just wanted to do a quick little DIY. I'm going to make some easy air shower melts. They're really simple. You just need a few ingredients. Baking soda, water, and I got these cute little ice cube silicone trays from the dollar store, so they're perfect. So all you're going to do is just put your cup of baking soda in a bowl, and you want to put the water in and just kind of mix it up right away. Just break it down. It's so simple and quick and easy. So I'm just going to do that. And then once it's all kind of mixed together, it's really so simple. You're just going to take your Easy Air essential oil from doTERRA, of course, and drop in 20 drops. Comes out quick, you're gonna have to count. So once you've got your drops in there, you're just gonna want to mix that back together. Kind of mix it all through, make sure it's all dispersed. And then, that's so easy, you're just gonna kind of plop it into these molds. Just kind of press it down with your fingers. You want to make sure it's really pressed down as tight and packed as you can. And there we go. So of course you're going to fill, this will make enough to fill this whole tray, just one tray, which is perfect, because you don't want to keep them too long. And all you're going to do, of course, by the magic of TV land, I have a tray that is sat for 24 hours, which is how long you want to take to dry them. And so all you're going to do is just start your shower, get it nice and hot and steamy, and you're going to drop this at the back of the shower just so some of the water kind of hits it and it starts to melt away. While you're having your shower, of course, the Easy Air essential oil is just going to open up your respiratory system, really help you to breathe easy and clear. Great to start your morning that way, or even I like to do a little blend with lavender for a nice kind of nighttime shower blend. So thanks so much for joining me. We'll chat soon. Bye.